Hello, hello. Uh, Total Developers again back with another explanation on a Leetcode problem this time. So today we're working on problem 1043, and it is titled Partition Array for Maximum Sum. So I'll go ahead and read it. It states, given an integer array R, partition the array into contiguous subarrays of length at most k. After partitioning, each subarray has their values changed to become the maximum value of that subarray. Okay, so we are to return the largest sum of the given array after partitioning. All right, so first things first is we are given an array, as you could see here, and we are given a value k of which our subarrays can be of length, and this array needs to be partitioned to hold the maximum amount that it can, so that each subarray has their values changed to become the maximum value of that subarray. All right, so what we could do here is we can take this array, and I'll just write it down here. So that's 1, 15, 7, 9, 2, 5, and 10. This is coming from the example that they provided. And we need to now split it up. And we can split it up by 1, right? We could have a subarray of 1, subarray of 15, subarray of 7, and so on and so forth. But that wouldn't necessarily give us the maximum, right? So what we know is that we can have a subarray of size 3. So with that being said, we can, as an example, we can split these numbers into a subarray, split this number into a subarray, and split this into a subarray, right? So we do this because we're trying to find the largest numbers, right? So in this example, we have 15, 10, and we have 9 here. And we know that we can have a subarray of size 3, at most of size 3. So if we have that subarray that's at most of size 3, we then can simplify this larger array into its smaller subarrays, right? And this one is at most size 3. Here we have a subarray at most 1, and here we also have a subarray of at most 3, right? So in each of these subarrays, we now know the maximum values of each. So with that being said, we can now take each value in each subarray and replace it with the maximum value. And in this example, the maximum value is 15 here. And the next one, the maximum value is 9. So we keep that value at 9. And in the next one, we have a maximum value of 10. So we can change each value to 10. And now we could just take the sum. So here we have 45 plus 9 plus 30 equaling 84, which is exactly what the output is said to be. Now, in order to do this, we have a few options. We could do our intuitive method, brute force. We could also do a little bit more elegant approach of dynamic programming, of tabulation. And that's likely the method that we will use in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoy.